In today's video, I'm going to teach you about mastering email integration with Monday.com. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to guide you through the process of integrating your email, particularly Gmail, directly with Monday.com, enhancing productivity and streamlining communication. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Monday.com website. Once there, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the login button. This will prompt you to either sign in with Google or type in the email address you'll be using. If you prefer to sign in with Google, simply select this option and proceed to choose the correct email address from the list that appears. After logging in, head over to the board on which you plan to work. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on your selected board, direct your attention to the upper right corner beside the Automate option and click on Integrate. This is your gateway to linking your email with Monday.com. In the integration menu, there's a search bar you'll want to use. Begin typing Gmail into this bar. As you do, you'll see a list of templates and triggers appear that can facilitate the integration process. For this tutorial, we'll choose a specific template to use as our example. When you find it, go ahead and click on Use Template. This is where you decide which Gmail account to integrate. Choose the appropriate Gmail account from the options presented. Now it's time to select a trigger. Click on Status, which will serve as our automation trigger, and then select the column on your board that you wish to use as this trigger. In the next section, you'll have various options based on your column selection. For this demonstration, we'll choose the Done option to signify task completion. It's essential to choose a trigger that aligns with your workflow for maximum efficiency. Next, click on Email. You'll be prompted to type in the email message you want sent whenever the trigger you selected occurs. Don't forget to write both the subject and the body of the message clearly and concisely to ensure effective communication. Then click on Someone, and from the drop-down menu select the recipient who will receive this automation email whenever the trigger is activated. This step is crucial in ensuring that the right person gets the information they need. Once you've made all your selections, finalize this setup by clicking on Create Automation. This will save your settings and activate the email integration, allowing your board to communicate seamlessly with your Gmail, sending automatic updates as tasks progress. And there you have it. Integrating your Gmail with Monday.com not only centralizes your communication but also saves valuable time. Ensure that all steps are followed carefully to achieve a smooth integration experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on email integration with Monday.com. Happy integrating!